Today I'm going to show you how to take out the taillight assembly on a Kia Rio. There's this little panel here. You're going to have to break these little connections off, and there's two tabs that will hold it in afterwards. So what we have here is basically the taillight assembly. Now, to remove the taillight assembly, there's only 4 bolts here. That's just the wiring harness for the taillight. So all you need is a 10mm ratchet. Just loosen them up. It's very interesting to do with one hand. So now the taillight should be free to move. We're just going to give that a little push. Be a little gentle. I'm just going to wiggle it back and forth. Basically the gasket seal over time. And there you have it. There's your taillight assembly. It's only those 4 bolts. It's a lot easier to see this on this way. So this is taillight. And the orange one is your turn signal. So in order to get a light bulb out, like a turn signal, you just push down and that little pin moves over to the side and can slide in or out. So you're just going to do the reverse to put it back in. These bulbs are not burnt. So you push down and then twist. And if you're looking at the bulb this way, it would be you're twisting clockwise to put it in and counterclockwise to get it out. So we go clockwise to put the bulb back in, counterclockwise to pull the bulb out. So, the clear bulb, so if this was in the car, clear bulb would be on the bottom. That's like for your reverse and brake light. And then this orange bulb is for your turn signals. So where this white section is, that's where the orange bulb goes, and the clear bulb goes where the red lens is. So being that the orange bulb has the shortest amount of electrical wire, I would replace that one first. And it even gives you an idea of which way it goes to lock. So to lock this, you put it in place and go clockwise. To unlock, you go counterclockwise. So it's in, and we do the same with the other bulb. So it's in. Now we're just going to replace the taillight assembly, and it just goes back in. You're just going to need to line up those 4 bolts. That's good, it's in place. Now we're just going to put those 4 bolts back in. Remember, when you're tightening these up, it is attached to plastic, so you don't really want to over tighten them too much. Just kind of snug them up. You just don't want them to vibrate loose. This would be a lot easier with 2 hands. So now all you have to do is reattach that wiring harness. This little side clip over here should be towards you when you install this. So we're just going to put this in until it snaps in place. We're good. Anytime that you're making a repair, especially with this type of stuff, you're going to want to make sure that you check your lights before you just start driving. So we're going to do that next. So put the clips back in place. Blinker works. Driving light works. Well, thank you. Hope you enjoyed. Hope you found that interesting. And subscribe. It helps out the channel. And if you have any requests, please leave them in the comments. I'll get back to you as quickly as I can. Thanks. Have a great day.